By the way, since this is my very first recipe video, I will be celebrating it through giving a full grocery that'll help you recreate my dish. All you have to do to enter is, I forgot. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and today I will show you how to make vegan adobo. Yes, you heard that right. It is indeed vegan. No meat, no animal products, none of that. And for my non-Filipino viewers, adobo is a traditional Filipino meat dish that is cooked in soy sauce. But this time, I will veganize it and turn it into a non-meat-based recipe. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna compromise the flavor. It's gonna taste really good. It's gonna be a healthier option and it'll definitely not break your budget. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my very first recipe video, and to celebrate that, I will be giving away a grocery set that'll help you recreate my recipe. All you have to do to enter is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and watch till the very end because I will be saying a hashtag and that'll serve as your confirmation code. Okay, so without further ado, let's get cooking. Okay, let's begin by rinsing the beans. I recommend soaking it for at least an hour before cooking so that it cooks faster. But we're not going to do that right now, so let's just go for it. Add salt for some flavor, then boil till soft and mushy. While that's cooking, let's make the veggie meat. Combine seitan, flour, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, salt, and pepper. Don't worry if you're not getting some of the things I'm doing, full recipe guide will be down in the description. Add some veggie stock. Beans should be done by now. Drain, mash, and fold into your mixture. Pour in the rest of your veggie stock, mix some more, then take your guts out and start kneading. You'll end up with about 4 servings. Portion it out, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Seitan is very versatile. You can use it as a meat sub for any type of dish, and you can batch make it. Keep it in the freezer and it'll stay good as long as you keep it frozen. Next step, steaming. Make sure the water is already boiling before putting your seitan in. While that's steaming, chop up some onions, garlic, and chili. This is optional, you can leave it out if you don't want it spicy. Now the seitan meat is ready. Set it aside and get ready for the real action. Put some oil in a hot pan, then saute the aromatics. Add the seitan. Cover and brown for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to keep the heat on medium so you don't burn anything. Add soy sauce, a splash of vinegar, water, bay leaves, and sugar. Stir and simmer for 5 minutes. Give it a final stir and your vegan adobo is ready to serve. And that's how you make vegan adobo. Thank you so much for staying this long into the video. And as promised, the hashtag is #HealthSavvy. Again, #HealthSavvy. All you have to do is send me the hashtag through a DM on my Instagram account at Julia Nicole Colasta, and that'll serve as your raffle entry. Provided, of course, that you have liked this video and subscribed to my channel. On my next video, I will be drawing the name of the lucky grocery set recipient, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to recreate my dish, please tag me in all of my socials. I would definitely want to see them. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Julia. I'll see you in my next video.